Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to get total payments in Excel. This is the kind of thing pretty much anybody with a business wants to be able to do, where you might want to total if you've got different types of products, you want the total payments for all products, or let's say you've got the payments week by week or month by month and you want the total for the quarter or for the year. So I have a spreadsheet set up here where I have just some made up payment numbers, and let's just say you're in the poultry business and you've got your weekly payments for chickens, ducks, and pigeons. First thing we want to know is we want the total payments for all three different products. So we go over here to column E, and we're going to have a column of the totals, and we just click on the total and we say equals, and then we click over here on the chicken item and the duck item and the pigeon item and hit a return, and there we have the total. Now we want to copy that formula to all the other lines, so we just come down here and we just drag that down with the cursor at the bottom right of the cell, and the formula gets captured down to all the other lines with the inputs updated, the row updates inputted accordingly. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to get total payments in Excel. Thanks for watching.